We got something. It's probably like a 5-pounder. Pretty good day on the water. All right, let's get a release on this kitty.